Food and Beverage Services for grade 7 and 8. Our topic is Create New Business Ideas in Food and Beverages Services. Spotting and identifying business opportunities. Spotting business opportunities is one of the most essential aspects of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur must have a keen eye for identifying opportunities that can potentially turn into a good product or business. At the same time, an entrepreneur should also know which opportunities to drop and which ones to develop. Great business ideas are all around you. Just open yourself to possibilities and you are bound to find the answer. So, start your search for that drop-dead idea that is going to set the world on fire. Idea generation. The first step in identifying a good business opportunity is to look for many opportunities. This is called the idea generation phase. The following are good sources of business ideas. A. Personal hobbies and interests. B. Everyday experiences, travel and adventures. C. Suggestions from family members and friends. D. Problems that need solutions. E. Problems with existing product. F. Books, magazine, and news. And G. Observing, listening around you. There are plenty of good business ideas floating around, and not all of them are unique. In fact, new companies successfully go to market in saturated industries all the time, and most are not especially disruptive. Generating business technically in food business, the ideas never go out of style as everybody needs to eat several times a day. That is why starting a business centered on food can be a truly rewarding enterprise. Generating business ideas. You can have business ideas from your family. Asking family member for great business ideas may not seem like an obvious first step. Sure, you will hit them up for cash once you have developed an idea. Next is from your friends. Don't limit your ideas to yourself. Asking suggestion from friends would be a great help. Next is from your hobbies and interests. Many entrepreneurs have taken up hobbies and turned them into a successful business. Next is from unsatisfied for a particular product. If a product does not meet your standards, then create a better one. This includes problems that need solution and problems with the existing product. Next is from trends. Knowing the new trends and popular uprising businesses by roaming around the malls and streets by visiting different social medias. Next is it's your dream business. Many people ignore their dreams. It pays to listen to those inner messages and happiness. There are certain characteristics that distinguish a good business from an average one. Such qualities help keep a good business filled with satisfied customers. If your small business owns a restaurant, understanding some of the qualities will increase chances of creating consistent profits. Traits that can be learned and practiced to be successful in food and beverage services. Number 1 is to have a clear communication. Successful food service operators are clear and concise when giving directions and motivating their staff. Issues are tackled immediately, staff meetings are held weekly, and free ship meetings are always practiced. Number 2 is by creative thinking. Generate and embrace new ideas and innovative ways of doing things. They adapt to change in resourceful ways and willingly accept calculated risk. Number three is true hands-on approach. Knowing the complete aspect in business operation and capable of stepping into any role in staffing and management by working supervising the front and back of the restaurant. Next is proactive. They would wait for others to make decisions or decide their own for them. They create their own path. They also thinking ahead that will be possible problems and provide immediate solutions. Number five, leadership and direction. They are eager to take charge and comfortable of taking a lead towards success. They are careful and avoids abusing power or coming out as intimidating. Number six, hospitality and courteousness. Doing whatever it takes to make the guests experience the best services. They want their customers to leave feeling as if their expectations were exceeded and are willing to go above and beyond to make it happen. Number seven, good provider. A successful managers know the kitchen cannot create quality dishes without appropriate equipment and products, nor can the servers sell a new menu if they do not know what the dishes on it taste like. Good managers made sure that their staff have the right tool, training, and have tasted the foods they are offering so that they can explain it well to the customer. Number eight, independent. They have a sense of courage and engage in self-directed activities. They chart their own course. However, they understand it is possible and risky to do it all. Number nine, focus. They have a clear priorities and defining what is truly important to the success of the business. They avoid wasting time and energy and do not get distracted by constant opinions. Number 10, collaboration. They act cooperatively to foster win-win interactions with others and strive to accomplish goals through teamwork. Serendipity, value for business. Serendipity is an attitude and aptitude for making unattended discoveries by accident or habitually. Serendipity helps you create unplanned and unattended but remarkable innovative value by taking advantage of anticipated, unexpected, and unsought information and make accidental discoveries. Serendipity as a source of competitive advantage. Developing serendipity as a corporate capability and leveraging it to your competitive advantage will help you to discover new opportunities faster than your competitors, generate outside-the-box business ideas, and create innovative synergies, and turn problems into opportunities. The following are the three components of serendipity. Number one, having a prepared mind, being ready to make serendipitous discovery anytime. Number two, by observing and noticing. And number three, being passionate about creating innovative and valuable connection. Serendipity tips for business and innovation. When an experiment doesn't produce an expected result, don't discard it outright. Ask learning SWOT questions or strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat questions and experiment with the unexpected outcome to see what comes out of it. Watch people while they are using your product or invention. Be prepared to discover breakthrough opportunities if you see people using your products in a way you never dreamed of. Notice how disruptive people use or threat ordinary things in an outside-the-box way. Apply similar mindset to your business. And in partnership negotiation, expect to discover unexpected advantages or benefits incurred due to positive synergy effects of the alliance. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.